In the garden of kindness we sow. With hearts open wide, love will grow. Sweet tea daily, spreading the light, painting hope in boxes so bright.
Hello everyone. I hope you're doing well today. It's Nicole with Sweet Tea Daily, and I'm excited to share this shoebox with you today. I've been working on this theme for quite a while. It can be a real challenge to find items at good prices for some of these characters. Today I'm going to unbox a Winnie the Pooh shoebox gift for a girl who's 2 to 4. Let's dive in. When she opens her box, this is what she'll see, and I will take out the papers so that you can see the lid design. The lid design says, "Jesus loves you." And there's Winnie the Pooh with some honeybees and his honey pot. If you like this design and you would like to use it for your own shoeboxes, you can go to sweetteadaily.com and download the lid design. On the very top, she has this My Sweet Love baby doll that looks like a little bear, and I thought that that would be a great baby doll for a Winnie the Pooh box. She's very soft. Isn't she cute? She fits really well inside this shoebox. She has a fish washcloth. I got that at the Dollar Tree. Here is her Winnie the Pooh. I got this on eBay. It's a brand new Winnie the Pooh, and I got it for about $6. I really like this. It's a beanbag plush, and it fits so well inside the shoebox, and I thought it really looked like the Winnie the Pooh in the lid design. Next, she has this little mini Winnie the Pooh that I got at the Dollar Tree. She has a necklace, a flower necklace. And I will take out her outfit so that you can see. I have this dress for her. And I got this dress for $9.90. Well, actually, I got two dresses for $9.99. And I could not find a Winnie the Pooh themed dress that I wanted to pay for. They were kind of expensive. So what I did was I bought these little appliques on eBay, and I put it on her dress. I think that looks really cute. And then at Walmart, I got her some shorts to go under her dress. I have this pair of sunglasses. Oops. This pair of sunglasses to match her dress. Here are some more accessories for her. She has a yellow headband. And some bracelets. She has a yellow cup, and inside her cup I have a pair of Winnie the Pooh socks for her that I got at the Dollar Tree. They're Easter themed. And here is another pair of socks that I'm including. This is more her size. The others were just a little bit big. And then here's a pair of underwear for her as well. I have a set of Winnie the Pooh figurines. These are all plastic. Here's a Winnie the Pooh, a Piglet, Kanga and Roo, Christopher Robin, Eeyore, and Tigger. She has a toothbrush, a comb, a box of Crazy Art crayons. Here is her pencil pack. She has, let's see, 6 pencils, 1 really big pencil so that it will be easier for her to grip as she's learning how to write. I have a little doodle book in there, a turtle eraser, some scissors, some pencil caps, and a ruler. She has a compact mirror, a spoon, a glue stick with some instructions on how to use a glue stick, a dual pencil sharpener, and I have taped the lid here. So that way, if it's a 2-year-old, she won't be able to get into her pencil sharpener. An adult will have to help her get into that. Have a globe ball, some dry erase markers, a dry eraser. It says "Be kind." She has a Winnie the Pooh mini book. And as you know, I love to include picture books in my boxes. Even if the children cannot read yet or they don't know English, I know that children really enjoy looking at the pictures. So I'd like to include picture books in my boxes. Here's another picture book, Jesus Blesses the Children. This has really beautiful pictures in it. She has a tote to help carry all of her items home if she can't fit them back in the box. She has a composition notebook, a Winnie the Pooh coloring and activity book, a sticker face book that I got at the dollar store, or the Dollar Tree, excuse me. And I just love these. They're so much fun. And I have printed off and laminated a dry erase practice sheet so that she can practice her writing and she can practice her numbers. And I don't know if you can see, but I have lined the box with some Winnie the Pooh gift wrapping paper. I used Mod Podge to tack it on. You could also use spray adhesive. That would work really well. And I think it just adds a little special touch to the box. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. May God bless you and your shoebox ministry. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Colors bright and messages bold. In our hands, His story told. Gifts wrapped in